After decades of research and rigorous testing, we have the technology, we have the capability, we have the resources to make and deploy the world's most durable, reliable solar tracking system, the DuraTrack HZ V3. Unlike any solar tracker before, better, stronger, smarter. Introducing the DuraTrack HZ V3 from Array Technologies. Better, because of an unparalleled track record of high uptime, excellent performance, and zero scheduled maintenance. Better, because our secure single-bolt module clamp and forgiving tolerances streamline installation with fewer parts, so construction crews can work more efficiently. Stronger, because it is the only solar tracker on the market with a failure-free, fully mechanical passive wind mitigation system that doesn't rely on active stow, sensors, or electricity. Stronger, because of flexibly linked architecture designed to take on the most treacherous terrain. Plus, a new extended module row design that boasts higher power density than our closest competitor. Smarter, because our Smart Track optimization technology intelligently adjusts module angles in response to weather and site conditions to boost real-world power output. Smarter, because the DuraTrack HZ V3 is built to deliver the highest returns through exceptional long-term asset performance. Protect your investment for the long term with a solar tracking system that minimizes potential failure points and consistently delivers higher reliability and superior uptime. Array Technologies. Follow the sun. Follow the leader.